here it goes. We have parsley. Roughly would be working out to probably about 1.5 tablespoons, 1.5 cucumber, 1 lemon, and a tablespoon of fresh ginger. Everything is right here. Get our blender, chop that parsley in it, fresh ginger, and cucumber, and lemon. So we're gonna put remaining ingredients inside of it. All right, yeah. I know I'm using a lot, but I can always like blend it, because we're not using any liquid. All right, we're not using no liquid inside of it. So what we're gonna do, we're going to blend this first. Yeah, let's blend up this one. So we just blend that. So we're going to put the remaining ingredients inside of it. Yeah, we just want to get the benefit from the cucumber, the lemon, and the ginger. So we're not adding no water, because sometimes you add water to things, it does mess it up. So we're not going to add any liquid. Put back that lid. And we'll go for a blend again. Excellent. Yeah, it's gonna look like a smoothie. Yeah. But we can correct it. Alright. By simple pour it out into a strainer like this. Excellent. This one is simple. Use a spoon, get that juice out of it. This is amazing, guys, honestly. As you guys can see how thick it is. So beautiful. Look at the richness of it. Alright, there's more. You can get some more from this. So I'm gonna squeeze it out when I finish this show. So let's put this aside, let it go and drain. In the meantime, then simple, get our cup and pour it out like this. Chef Ricardo. Excellent. All right, now look at that. That is so beautiful and nice. All right, also remember to get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose. It's on Amazon, 50% off, guys. Okay, get yourself one and support the progress. Challenge, drink this for about 14 days. Weight loss, very good to drink in the morning for detox, and the list goes on. Good vibes. So this is another drink which I normally also drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. All right, I always share this with you guys because a lot of people don't know. Few people see this kind of video when I make them. So what you need to do first thing when you wake up, all right, get yourself a cup like this, and I'm going to show you what I normally do in the morning when I wake up. All right, so let's get some water. All right, so I'm going to start it off with a little bit of lukewarm water. All right. Teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Room temperature water to the top. Cayenne pepper, dash of cayenne pepper into it. Mix it well. All right, let's top it up some more. So you want to drink this for 14 days in the morning on an empty stomach. Also, very powerful one. So I will drink this also this morning. It's up to you guys when you can drink it. All right, for 14 days. Anyway, get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available for every one of you guys. This is an amazing drink, very good for you for weight loss also, and to help you with detoxing the body. For more ideas, please follow me, and I will keep you guys updated on that drink if you want to know more about it. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. Very spicy though. Wow. Beautiful drink. Yeah. Then give myself about 10 minutes, then I will drink this after. All right. Have good vibes. Yeah. So 10 minutes, then I drink this. For more ideas, please follow me on my cooking show, Chef Ricardo Cooking. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning back in the kitchen with more recipes and ideas for you. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.